Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the updated syllabus of chemistry, class ninth, right? So now look at here. This is the first chapter, that is states of matter, and what we will discuss in it. We will discuss subtopics like 1.1 solids, liquids, and gases, right? Then we will discuss diffusion, right? So these are the two main points which you people have to note down in your copies. Number one, chapter or topic, and then subtopics, right? These learning objectives I will, show you when we will discuss the chapter one by one. So second, the second heading of the chapter is atoms, elements, and compounds, right? And what we will discuss, elements, compounds, and mixture in it. Then there is another chapter, that is atoms, elements, and compounds. That is the same chapter, but what are the subtopics in it? We will discuss like atomic structure and periodic table, and then isotopes, right? So these are the subtopics which we will discuss. Now then we will discuss, like, look at here, isotopes. Then we will discuss the next chapter, that is the periodic table, which is very important, and some portions or subtopics we will discuss here, like arrangements of the elements, one. Then we will discuss, chapter name is same, periodic table. Then we will discuss group 1 properties, like, which is called alkali metals. We will discuss the detailed discussion on this topic, that is the group 1. Then we will discuss group 7 properties, which is called halogen, जो बेटा हम लोग इंशाल्लाह डिस्कस करेंगे. And then there is another chapter which is called experimental techniques or chemical analysis or flame test. And in it, what we will discuss, identification of ions, cations, anions, and gases. And then we will discuss the flame test of these, cations, right?
Sir,
Then G.
sir, can you go to slide 10?
But I'm showing you, then you will note down. Just I'm explaining the syllabus. Then if there is a if there is any change, just we will note it in our syllabus. So next, same chapter, that is periodic table, and next portion is transition elements. And then 8.4, 8.5 is noble gases. These are the subtopics which we will discuss in this chapter. Then last, experimental technique and chemical analysis. We will discuss experimental design, and these learn in the learning objective portion. Look at here, stopwatch, balance, each and everything which we will discuss. Then last, revision and past paper practice. So this was the complete, discussion related to syllabus. Now we are, going to check whether which is new addition in it, right? Okay.